I'm Sherry. Recently, a few friends and also prospects come to look for me and asking me few opinion about the Singapore because they want to set up a company in Singapore and they don't know what is the pro and cons. So I have been working with some of the Singapore company for past few years. So here are some of my advice and also knowledge. Today I'm going to share about the personal income tax as well as the corporate income tax.
After you get the working permit in that particular country, of course you need to identify whether you are the tax resident. After confirm your tax resident status, then you will submit your income tax, follow the tax bracket according to the IRB. In Malaysia, irregardless you are what category, like personal, self-employed or partnership, as long as your salary or your wages is more than 34,000 for all kinds source of income, then you need to submit your income tax. But in Singapore, the two categories are separate conditions. Like personal, if your personal total income is more than 22,000 Sing dollar, then you need to submit income tax. But for self-employed, if let's say your net profit, which is your turnover after deduct all the expenses, then your net profit is equivalent or more than 6,000 Sing dollar, then you have to submit your income tax. In Malaysia, the personal income tax rate maximum is 30%. If let's say your chargeable income is more than 2 million ringgit Malaysia. However, in Singapore, the maximum income tax rate is only 22%. If let's say your chargeable income is more than 320,000 Sing dollar. So one side is 30% and another side is 22%. However, starting from next year onwards, both Singapore and Malaysia also adjusted their tax rate. For Singapore, they will increase to 24% for maximum. For Malaysia, they will retain it 30%. However, they are reducing the tax rate for M40 and below. For example, for the M40 group, let's say the 51,000 Sing dollar earner in Singapore, they only paying 7% income tax. However, for the 51,000 earning group, they need to pay 11% income tax in Malaysia. Or another example, for T20 group, for person that earning 150,000 Sing dollar in Singapore, they only pay 15% income tax rate. However, for the same size group in Malaysia, we need to pay 25% income tax rate. You can see the income tax rate. Actually, Malaysia is paying almost double of Singapore side. When you are staying in Singapore, please don't use the conversion rate. You should use rate to rate basis to justify whether the income tax rate is very high. If you are a non-tax resident, the flat rate in Singapore is 15% to 22%. However, in Malaysia is 30%.
So this is the part 1 for the personal income tax if you are working in Singapore and Malaysia. Part 2 will share about the corporate